design, I was going to take the pink and go over the top of this, and it'll highlight these letters and really have that stand out. So for those of you that don't like to write on cakes, look for candy molds like this. They can be your friends. And if you just want to make a chocolate plaque and pipe the writing on with chocolate, you can do that too. Or make a chocolate plaque that's, you know, like this with no writing, and then pipe it with buttercream. So those are all different options. Okay, and I was going to decide whether I wanted this up here or like here. I'm just going to put it up here. Okay, so I'll just leave that off to the side for now, and then we can dust some of our eggs and things. Now see this one right here? This egg is the one that I overflowed, so either with a paring knife or this blade on this spatula is nice and sharp. I can use this too, and I just want to go around those edges like so and clean that up. Okay, so once that's done, I'll put it down, and I'm going to dust this one with Ultra Purple, and that'll just help that kind of shine that puppy up, and we can add some extra detail to that. Okay, our other eggs that we have, this one right here, this one is going to be a little house. Like I said, this is a little town, so we'll go ahead and make this our little house. And I like to use chocolate here to attach it. Okay, and that's another reason I don't really like these to be solid this size, because then I'll have to put support under it because the cake won't support it. Most cake won't, some will. Okay, so if I've got that, I'm going to put it right in this little spot right here. And I'm just wiggling it just a little bit to kind of get that in there. Cool. Okay. Now while it's still up there, what I want to do is kind of secure it a little bit more, and I'll have to go back over that part so it doesn't fall forward on me. It's pretty steady there. Okay, so what I will do is make a little path from the front. So I'm going to use the pink again. So it's the pink and white mixed. I should have enough right here. I want to knead it up too much or I won't have the marbleization on it anymore. And I will use the cobblestones. Okay, this one I'm just going to kind of curve. Let me use the pizza cutter on this one. Actually, even better. I like this small wheel because I can really turn and get in between these little crevices here, or pretty close anyway. So I think I'm going to actually have it go this way. Okay, and again, we're going to add stuff, so that's not it finished. There we go. Okay, I'm going to do a little car behind the truck, like a little trailer. So I've got my blue egg. I'm going to put some chocolate underneath, and that'll go right about there. Okay. Then I will use a couple of tires. I just took all the chocolate off that I just put on. Ah, ay, ay, ay. Okay, so there we go. One on the other side. That right up against there. Now to make it kind of fit with this, we'll go ahead and we'll use some of the fencing, but we'll have to do it in a couple pieces. 1, 2, 3.